for my science project, I was doing solvent recovery of heavy oil from the Bourbon Arch. And the Bourbon Arch is located in Missouri, and there is tons of oil beneath the surface of the ground, but it's just low enough that there's not enough pressure in the earth to suck it out. So my project was finding which solvent combination works best to dissolve the heavy oil so it can be sucked out of the ground. And to start that out, I got five different solvents: ethanol, hexane, cyclohexane, toluene, and tetrahydrofuran. And I was finding out which one worked the best. And so in order to do this, I got these core samples from the Bourbon Arch, and we cut them up into little discs and put them into these tubes, and we filled up the 5 different tubes with the 5 different solvents, and we set them out for different times, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and got the cumulative grams of oil. And then we took the percentages to match them all up because there were different weights from the oil samples. And then once we did that, we took them to the rotovap, which that's what gave us it sucked out all the solvent and just left the oil so you could get the percentages left. And once I did that, I decided, because we found out that tetrahydrofuran and toluene were the most effective, but they weren't cost effective, so I got with the hexane and mixed 2% toluene, 2% tetrahydrofuran, 10% toluene, and 10% tetrahydrofuran, and I did the different percentages to find out which one worked the best. And I found out that the 2% of each and the 10% were about the same, so the 2% would be way more cost effective, and the toluene worked just as well as the tetrahydrofuran, and it's cheaper. So my conclusion is hexane with a small amount of complex solvent can significantly enhance heavy oil extraction from the Bourbon Arch, corresponding to about 40,000 barrels of oil per acre production. And that's my project.